Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Hope you guys are having an awesome weekend. As you know, no active trading day today, but kind of wanted to jump into my portfolio, update you guys on what's currently in my stock portfolio, as well as going over a number of user suggested stocks that have been given to me over the last couple weeks here. So having said that, let's go ahead and just jump right into my portfolio. I have them somewhat ordered regarding market sector here. At the top, you can see a nice Vanguard ETF VYM. Below that, we have some healthcare stocks, Abbott Laboratories, Pfizer, Portola, Abbey Incorporated, the pharmaceutical offshoot of Abbott Laboratories, Cardinal Health, Johnson & Johnson. Below those, we have some industrials, Boeing, Lockheed Martin, General Electric, 3M, Illinois Toolworks. We have some rail companies here as well: Canadian National Railroad, Union Pacific, Materials, and Dow Chemicals. We have then some consumer discretionary, then consumer staple stocks: Ford and General Motors for my automotive, Garmin Limited, more kind of electronics category, Target for kind of general retail, Hasbro for leisure, and then there's some restaurant stocks here as well: McDonald's and Yum Brands, which is Taco Bell, Pizza Hut. Below that, more of consumer staples here: agriculture, Archer Daniels Midland, SYY Cisco, some household products: Colgate, Kimberly Clark. Below that, we have some packaging: Hershey's. They're actually the Hershey Company, the Kraft Heinz Company as well. Below that, personal goods, Procter & Gamble. Then we have some soft drinks here: Coca-Cola, PepsiCo. Below that, we have some financials: Bank of the Internet, Huntington Bandshares, Wells Fargo. Below that, information technology. We have IBM, Apple, AMD, Intel, Microsoft. Telecoms, we have AT&T and Verizon. I have one energy stock here, at least with oil and gas, ExxonMobil, and then some utility companies down here as well: CNP, Centerpoint Energy, SO Southern. Below that, we have some REITs, Federal Realty Investment Trust, and Stag. And then we have some closed-ended funds below those as well. So kind of what I want to do now is jump in and go over some stocks I'm thinking about possibly purchasing here within the next week or so. I have funds available now, so that's not an issue. It's just a matter of selecting the right companies to complement my portfolio. First one here is Cummins. I believe this company is involved in the manufacture of diesel engines. It's a S&P 500, nice dividend yield, 3.19%. PE ratio is 17.43. Looking at its overall 52-week high, it's pretty close to that actually. This might be a little bit oversold. But a good dividend-paying stock, S&P 500 stock, and you can see there on the recent news: triple threat, dividend growth, cash flow, and big price gains. So this may be a stock that I could jump into. It could possibly add to my portfolio. This would probably go into a consumer capital goods kind of category. The second stock I want to take a look at, it goes by the ticker symbol of IP. Let's go ahead and try to find that here. IP. Yep, there we go. International Paper. So this is another S&P 500 stock. It'd be more of a basic materials, kind of like a Dow. It's as you can see on the bottom there, basically it's manufactured paper packaging products. Great dividend yield, 3.7%. A little bit above its 52-week low, above its average, moving average anyway. Good PE ratio. So this would be another good stock to possibly add. I only have Dow for basic materials, so this might be a good stock to complement that. The third stock I want to take a look at goes by the ticker symbol PFG. Principal Financial Group. Oh, sorry, I didn't list who's recommending these. So the first one, CMI, Cummings, Anthony. IP, International Paper, was Carless, or basically Carless with a U on the back of that. And this one here, Principal Financial Group. Again, this is kind of hard to pronounce. TINPEC or TGNPEC. Can't pronounce that, man. Name's too complicated for me. But this is another good stock, S&P 500. Um, this would be more to bolster my financial category. Great dividend yield, 3.81% there. Essentially, this is a financial company, so kind of like some of those business development groups, but they don't have the portfolio with regards to insurance and retirement and investment products that this one does. This is a very large cap company, S&P 500 company. Good dividend yield. So this may be one I could add to my financials, although I kind of have a full palette with regards to financials at the moment. Let's go to my fourth stock here. It goes by the ticker symbol ROK. There we go, Rockwell Automation. This was suggested by Rick. Looks like a overall company involved in industrial automation, power control, information solutions. So this would be kind of an interesting stock. I'm not sure exactly which category this would fall into. Maybe technology. It'd be a little bit different than my current holdings with IBM and AMD, Apple, Garmin. Great dividend yield, 2.3%. Large cap company, $15.8 billion. So this may be a stock that could actually nicely complement my information technology section. And the last stock I want to take a look at here goes by the ticker symbol HCP. Let's see if we can find that one here. There we go, HCP Incorporated. This was suggested by Ian. He's actually suggested quite a few stocks for me. I've actually bought, I think, most of those. So thanks, Ian. So this stock here, kind of I think a consumer staples company. No, actually, this is a real estate investment trust. So this is a REIT. So awesome, actually awesome dividend yield, 6.06%. And I believe this is as a S&P 500 stock. PE ratio says not available, so I'm not exactly sure what that is. It could be because it's a REIT. Typically, they have that when they have negative earnings. But I don't believe that would be the case for this. It's probably because it's a REIT. 52-week high, 40.43. 52-week low, 25.11, and it's currently trading about 39. So it's pretty close to its 52-week high. But this might be actually a good company to add to my portfolio. I don't have a lot of investment in REITs, so this could complement my portfolio nicely. I'm kind of trending down here a bit, actually quite a bit here. But 3 months up about 9%. So yeah, I could possibly think about buying that stock. So again, those were my 5 stock picks for this week. CMI, Cummings Incorporated, IP International Paper, PFG, Principal Financial Group, ROK, Rockwell Automation Incorporated, and HCP Incorporated. So those are 5 new stocks here. I think 2 of those would nicely complement my portfolio. A couple of them I'm already I have too many stocks in those particular categories to really add to those at the moment. But once I start adding to some other of the categories, I could think about that. I just don't want to get too invested in any one market sector. I really want to develop a nice diversified portfolio for the long run here. So yeah, again, just kind of wanted to open my account here, go over my current stock portfolio as well as potential additions that you guys have been suggesting to me. So again, I'm a new investor. I've been having a lot of fun doing these videos, like I say, almost at the end of every video. If you like my content, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and put a couple likes on my videos. Subscribe really helps the channel out a lot, actually. As always, love having conversations, so give me a personal message or just leave a comment on the video, and we can have it an open discussion with a number of different folks. So again, if you like my video, subscribe, leave a couple thumbs up, give me a couple likes, and we'll see you next video.